Wait, where's it again? Oh, crap. Wait, is it recording? Oh, it is. Oh. Okay, it's right there. Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Will You Press the Button. So yeah, let's get started. Will you press the button? Lightning fast internet always, but lose 3 fingers of your choice. No. See, it's 50%. You can make time stop, but you can only say 10 words a day. You can only say 10 words in a day. That's already 9 words taken up. Wait, will you press the button? You can make time stop. See, look, like when you press, will you press the button? You can make time stop. I only. Sure. Oh, Will you press the button? You will. Oh, whoops! You will have the best night with the one you love, but they will forget it ever happened. Oh my gosh, that's so hard because you want that person to remember too. I wouldn't press the button. 60%? Well, what's the point of doing something with somebody if they can't remember? Will you press the button? You'll win an epic TV set, but you can only watch your least favorite show on any TV. Oh my gosh, no. No. Will you press the button? You get unlimited everything forever, but you have to marry someone you hate badly. No. Will you press the button? One of your senses becomes superhuman, but 2 of your other senses become greatly lessened. Okay, I'm just going to say no because I don't know what that means. Will you press the button? You can have any vehicle you want, fictional or not, but you always have a tank full of gas. If you always have half a tank of gas, doesn't that mean that you never run out of gas? You always have half a tank, and you never run out of gas. Sure, I press that button every day. Will you press the button? You get $1 million each year for the rest of your life, but random jump scares will appear in your mind. Accomplish my sound or something. Yeah, sure, I'll press the button. Will you press the button? Water will heal all your wounds, but you'll get wounds. Yes. Okay. Will you press the button? You can live this for as long as you want, but you can never have children. Nope. Will you press the button? Become successful? No. They said, you become successful, but never find true love. It's like, no way. You get $1,000 for every dump you take, but you must have a family member wipe you while 25 random people are watching. Yes. People are so stupid. It's going to be definitely embarrassing every time you have to take a little poo. But you get money for bodily functions. Imagine if you take 2 poos a day. You get two. Dude, I'm pretty sure you'd get more money than Bill Gates gets. And if you don't know who he is, he's the richest man in the world. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna end it here. I think this video is kind of short. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and peace. Bye, guys. Next video. Bye.